Hey guys, so today we're going to just basically explain how we can get precise white balance in DaVinci Resolve. So we're going to go into our color section, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to take a node and we're going to make it white balance. Okay, we're going to basically change the gamma to linear, and I'm going to explain why at the end. And what we're going to now do is we're going to go into our power windows and we're going to select an area in our clip that you believe should be white. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to take these pillars or these little trims in the wall, which I think should be white. Okay, so we're going to choose that area there. Make sure we got a good selection. Okay, cool, there. Right. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go into our primary color wheels and we're going to bring the Luma mix down to 0. I'm just going to move this down here, but there you go. So just use that section there. And in the vector scopes, make sure you got your vector scopes open. Make sure you got 2 times open. It does help because you can see it a bit better. And just looking at this section here, you can see the information is leading to the yellow and red section in the quadrant, or more in the yellow quadrant, right? So we're going to go into the gain wheel and we're just going to move it around. We'll take it until all that information is basically in the center. And then you're going to go into your power window and you're going to turn the window off. And just looking before and after, there's your difference. Boom, 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 boom. And out of it, you're getting a more precise white balance, how it looks on the vector scope. So if I choose that section, you can see it's really cool. Turn it off and I'm leaning. Turn it on and I'm dead center. So in simple terms, we turn Luma off so we're only fixing color, and we use linear because it balances colors more accurately before contrast is applied. And that's pretty much it. So yeah guys, I hope this helps you. We are a new channel, so please like and subscribe, and yeah, we'll bring you tips and tricks, but obviously we also want to explain to you why you would do it and why the settings matter, as like for example with regards to linear that we use in the gamma, and obviously with regards to the why we use the Luma mix to 0. Thanks guys, cheers, see you in the next one.